Managing waste responsibly is crucial for preserving the beauty and sustainability of wilderness areas. Here are some top tips for managing waste while in the wilderness. Pack it out. Follow the principle of leave no trace by packing out all trash, including food wrappers, beverage containers, and any other waste generated during your trip. Minimize packaging. Reduce waste by minimizing packaging before your trip. Repackage food items into reusable containers or sealable bags to reduce the amount of trash you generate. Practice proper disposal. Dispose of human waste in designated restrooms or composting toilets if available. If no facilities are available, dig a cathole 6 to 8 inches deep and at least 200 feet away from water sources, trails, and campsites. Cover and disguise the cathole when finished. Pack out hygiene products. Pack out all hygiene products, including used toilet paper, wet wipes, and menstrual hygiene products. Use sealable bags or containers to contain these items and prevent them from littering the environment. Dispose of gray water properly. Gray water from dishwashing or personal hygiene should be dispersed at least 200 feet away from water sources and campsites. Use a strainer to remove food particles before dispersing gray water to minimize environmental impact. Avoid burning trash. Refrain from burning trash or waste materials in campfires, as this can release harmful pollutants into the air and leave behind residue that can impact soil and water quality. Use biodegradable products. Whenever possible, choose biodegradable and environmentally friendly products for cleaning, personal hygiene, and dishwashing to reduce your ecological footprint. Pack out pet waste. If camping with pets, pack out their waste in sealed bags and dispose of it in designated trash receptacles or carry it out with you. Leave natural objects. Avoid disturbing or removing natural objects such as rocks, plants, or wildlife artifacts. Leave them in their natural habitat for others to enjoy. Educate and lead by example. Share these waste management practices with fellow campers and encourage responsible behavior to protect wilderness areas for future generations. By following these waste management tips, you can help preserve the wilderness and ensure a clean and sustainable outdoor experience for yourself and others.